going to work in a special project in an airboat, the airboat of Mr. Rodriguez. And we are going to work in the marina, in Rio Loco Marina. We are going to recover the bottom of that boat, and we are going to protect the bottom with a special product. It's a special product, this product, Steel Flex.
Hey guys, so now that we explained the process of sanding, it's important understanding that you protect yourself when you're working on all jobs, depending whether you're sanding, fiberglass. So I'm just going to give you an example of the stuff that I use. You should always use a respirator, and the reason I say that is because what happens, you don't breathe any of that stuff in your lungs. It may not affect you now, but it will affect you in the future. So the best thing is to protect yourself. These cartridges here, you can interchange them, put new filters, and use the same thing. We're back to the restoration of this airboat, and basically right now we are sanding the bottom. So we had the hard paint for the airboats. It's like almost like it becomes almost like steel, so it hardens the aluminum, and then they put a slick piece on it. Right now we've sanded to this point, so you can see how it's dull, and if you look underneath there, you see it's nice and shiny. And basically how that works is we sand this down to try to make it as even as possible. And once we make it as even as possible, we'll pressure wash it, acetone everything, and then we put the 2-part epoxy primer with the paint, and then we let that sit, and then we put the last coat will be a slick coat, is what they use for the airboats. It's a slick. So basically it gives it a little bit less friction on the water, so you can go a little faster and you can run over things. In this boat, you'll see we run over a lot of things on this boat.
Danny, now the bottom of the boat is ready. In the previous episode, you sanded.
Yeah.
Hard job, no?
Yeah, it took almost 20 hours to sand this little 12-foot boat because they use that steel epoxy. And basically what I did was I had a lot of grooves. I sanded out the grooves so it'll be smooth. So when I put the new epoxy steel primer and the steel paint, then I'll put a slick barrier on it to make it a little slide easier on top of the grass.
Okay, we are going to repeat for our students. What is the layer that we are going to apply?
Okay, the first layer is going to be a primer.
Primer. And then what type of primer?
It's going to be it's a metal primer designed for airboats.
For aluminum.
For aluminum, correct.
Okay.
And so what happens is after I put the primer, then I put the steel paint on it.
A steel paint.
It's like a steel paint. They call it steel paint because it's hard like steel. All right. So now after we mixed everything up, now we're going to apply it. One of us is going to work on the outside, and the other one's going to work underneath. You have 15 minutes before this thing is no longer any good.
Better hurry up, sir. Let's try it.
Just do it. Go ahead.
Danny, finally you apply the steel flex.
Steel flex, right.
Steel flex.
So we put the steel flex on, it's dry. It takes about 3 days to dry. Once it dries, now I gotta sand it before I put the slick coat. But this is what it looks like when it's dry.
It's like a steel.
I can't even break this.
That's impossible. That's impossible. And the texture is soft, no? It's
yeah. Right now it's almost like acrylic. It's hard, but I have to sand it because it's not smooth. Once I sand it and I put the slick coat, then it'll glide right through the water.
Okay, and after that you don't need any protection, any bills code, nothing.
For 5 years.
For 5 years, no? That's wonderful. And it's against abrasive surface, like
it was to run over trees, bushes.
That's perfect, no?
They have polymer. This boat wasn't set up with polymer. Polymer is almost like a starboard piece.
Yeah, that's correct.
That you can run on the rocks,
that's
roads.
Correct.
I don't do that with this airboat. This airboat's basically just running over trees, bushes, and stuff like that.
And
well, now there's no more leaks.
no more leaks, of course.
Now with this stuff.
No, that's
this
wonderful.
Stuff is like, I mean, you can see how thick it is. It's like,
yeah, the thickness.
amazing.
Can you pass your finger over there, Danny? Yeah, it's like a 316, no?
yeah, it's thick.
Yeah, it's thick. It's thick. Congratulations, Glenn and Danny. You did a great job.
Thank you.
Yeah, great job.
Well, good. I'm glad it's done.
That was a lot of work.
All right.